Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm feeling a little bit more human, as they say. So I'm going to do the Webb effect with neon powders. Will it work? I'm going to use Harry and Wilma's fluorescent neon powders. This one is magenta, and I'm going to use this one, which is the lemon yellow. And I'm going to use Solid Solutions alcohol inks, and this one is the red. And I'm using Istoyo 1:1 resin. All right? Pouring your heart out, bloom for the white. I've got three drops, and for this technique it needs to be a little bit heavier than white. I don't have much resin in here, so I'm not putting too much. Make sure you really stir it well, because it goes into little lumps. See, it's quite light actually, but I can see little bits that are not quite mixed yet. So I'll stir it some more. Please excuse my coffee. I think I'll leave it at that. And I put the same amount of this one. So start stirring slowly so that it doesn't fly everywhere. And once it's mixed in, and then mix it vigorously. And yes, I'm mixing it very vigorously, because as you can see, there are little bits that are not mixing very well. So I'll give it a couple of minutes and then come back to it. Yeah? And I might add a little bit of this yellow pigment to this one here. I've put a couple of drops. Yeah, that's a bit more like what I want. Oh, excuse me. We're going to start off by adding some of this yellow to the edge. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the clear around it. Right. And I will add the rest of the yellow. Now I'm going to add magenta. Add some more of this. Now I'm adding my white. Gonna push everything out. Yeah, some people call it the lace effect, some people say it's the Webb effect. At the end of the day, it's the same technique, whichever way you would like to call it. It really doesn't matter. It's a pretty easy technique. And in the middle, I'm going to add some gold to it. Okay, gold to it. And I'm going to make sure that it's in the middle, hopefully anyway, because it's hard to tell. Righty, give it a little this one, I think it's at the end. Now, having done that, I will drop a couple of drops of this one in the middle. All right, and now we'll just have to wait and see how the resin reacts to this particular powder, because I haven't used it before, so I don't know what the result will be. Okay. We will just keep our fingers crossed. Because you never know with resin how it's going to react. Resin has a mind of its own. Just adding a little bit of the leftover in the middle. Now it's like to do my own thing in the middle. And I very rarely do two pours the same, to be honest. Mainly because I like them to be unique. All right, so that's it, guys. I'll be back when it's set. Bye for now. So let's have a look. I'm sorry about the light. It's quite dark in here already. I love the colors in this end, but who knows what the other side will be like. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, that's really interesting. It's done the web effect, but I think the powder is too heavy for this technique. It doesn't quite let it sink to the bottom. It just floats in the top. But nonetheless, it's quite beautiful and it's something different. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching. Stay magical, everyone. Bye for now.